TubeBuddy is the most helpful YouTube tool ever created. It's not a coincidence that all of these YouTubers with hundreds of thousands or even millions of subscribers are using TubeBuddy to grow their YouTube channel. You can see 6.5 million subscribers. They are using TubeBuddy, and in total there are more than 3 million YouTube creators and brands including Pepsi and CBS Sports who are using TubeBuddy to grow their channels. I have been using this already since 2018 and it has saved me a lot of time and a lot of money. You can start using TubeBuddy for free, and using my bonus code in the description you will get also a 30-day free trial for their paid premium plans. So I recommend that you click my affiliate link to get started if you want to get that bonus immediately. I have been mostly using Star plan myself, and then Legend, which I am using at the moment, and Legend gives access to everything, and I will show you the tools that I have been using mostly with TubeBuddy myself. You can see that Star and Legend gives you access to most features in TubeBuddy. The normal price with Star or Legend is $19 per month, or Legend $49, but you can get the 20% off if you build annually. So if you think it from this perspective, I have been thinking, does Star give me at least $15 per month benefit? Like, does it help me to earn at least $15 more? And my conclusion has been yes, for sure. So that's why I have been using it. Now I'm using Legend. So I approach this from the perspective, does this give me at least $40 per month benefit? If it gives, then it's worth the money. So yes, it does give, and that's why I am using it myself. But again, you can start for free, and using my bonus link you can also get the first month for free for this premium plan. So I recommend using that. How to get started with TubeBuddy? You click the link in the description, you will land on this page where you will be able to sign in immediately. It says sign in, and then you read the privacy policy terms of use, and you click here sign with Google. Then you simply put your Google account here and you click next and you sign up. Once you have signed up, you will land inside here TubeBuddy, and here they have click-by-click tutorials from their TubeBuddy support YouTube channel. So you simply click this one right here to start watching their onboarding series. They explain you click-by-click how you will be able to start using it. In a nutshell, you will download the Google Chrome extension that will give you all kinds of benefits that will help you to grow your YouTube channel faster. Here they also show other member perks, so it gives you discounts and benefits for all kinds of YouTube related tools and products. You can see them here. If you don't want to use this, you don't need to use this, but that is just additional benefit. You can also get support right here by using general support or with their tips and tricks videos. Let me actually show you. So here you can read all their instructions, and you will be also able to contact TubeBuddy support if you need any help from them. As you saw here, there are many different benefits with TubeBuddy, but I will show you now just 7 benefits and features that I have been using myself that have been benefiting me. By the way, TubeBuddy has an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 on Capterra. You can see everybody are absolutely loving it. Also on this website, G2, they have an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5, and everybody is giving either 4 stars or 5 stars out of 5. So people are absolutely loving this app, and it's not a coincidence because it helps you to make money faster on YouTube. So let me show you right here. This is the first thing that I enjoy using. Checklist. So when you upload a YouTube video, here they show the best practices, and this is like a reminder for you that you remember to do the important things, and it will show up automatically right here once you start using TubeBuddy. But you can also adjust it by yourself when you come inside TubeBuddy members area and you come here to Launchpad and checklist template. Here you can edit it according to your needs, but I have just kept the default one because in my personal opinion it is helpful. So here you can see get like on Facebook, add end screen, add info cards, add a playlist. There is usually also add a pinned comment. So it reminds you to add all these important things for your YouTube videos so you don't forget them for some reason. And I will show you in the upcoming lessons click by click when we will do all of this optimization for a new video that I'm going to upload on YouTube. We will add end screens, we will add info cards, we will add playlists, we will add tags, we will add description, a title, pinned comment, everything. So make sure to watch upcoming lessons to learn this process click by click. The second thing that I like to use is the thumbnails A/B testing. And this is really helpful because it automatically increases your views and the click-through rate, because you can test two different thumbnails and it will count which one is getting more clicks. For example, this thumbnail will show up on Monday, this one on Tuesday, this one on Wednesday, and this one on Thursday, so every other day. And then they count which one is going to get more clicks. So let's actually click this one. You can see that the original is getting more than 52% more clicks. So this is obviously better one. Imagine if I would have put this one, I would be getting much fewer clicks and much less views. So this was really powerful. And you can see the statistic here. They show in a very nice way what was the total views, what was the click-through rate in percentage, what was the daily clicks, and all of this fun stuff. And let me show you also another example. Here is a liquid swap tutorial. So this was my original thumbnail and I thought, okay, let's test against this one. And you can see the benefit was 76%. So that was really awesome. And if we click right here, you can see that the variation, so this thumbnail was performing so much better. You can see so much more clicks, so much better click-through rate, and so on and so forth. So obviously that was a better choice right there. And then also, let's say the third one, you can see here, this was the original one. I thought it's good because there is a good contrast, but then we find out the variation was around 40% better. So because this is brighter probably, and you can see we are getting now more clicks, more views for this video because I use this A/B testing tool. So I think this is one of my favorite tools for TubeBuddy, and I highly recommend you start using this tool as well when you start using this app. Third thing that you want to use is the Monetization Checker, and this is something really fast that you want to use maybe just once when you start using TubeBuddy. So you click here, demonetization double check, and then you click here start, or you can click here search all videos. Let me just show you an example. So if some of these videos would have been demonetized by accident, it would show here, for example, 5 videos, and then you would be able to click there and monetize again to start earning money from YouTube ads. But as you can see, I have already done it before, so now 0 of my videos have been demonetized right there. So I've been able to use this app, and this is really helpful. You don't need to go through each video one by one because you may have hundreds of videos. You can simply click that and it will scan all of your videos automatically. Then there is some interesting feature. Let me show you here. So you click here this TubeBuddy tool, you click here click magnet, and then you click here get started. It will scan and process for a while, and then I will show you what I have done. There are 4 different features and benefits here, but let me just show you this CTR opportunities. This is really exciting. So this shows you where the opportunities lie for you to increase your click-through rate by improving your thumbnails or title. So for example, this video right here, they said that the average CTR for me is around 5%, but for this video it's around 3% only. So the opportunity to increase the click-through rate is high, very high actually, and the performance, they also show it right here. So the performance for this video was good, but the CTR is only 4%. So the opportunity is awesome here. So I could click here create A/B test. It takes me directly to TubeBuddy, and here I can click thumbnail CTR test and run a click-through rate. So I will click this one, continue, and what I'll need to do is simply click here upload a file, and then it will start testing them automatically, these 2 thumbnails. And let's have a look at another one where we have a good performance. So for example here there is average performance, but the CTR is only 3 while the average is like 5. Here again I could click this one and create an A/B test to start testing these thumbnails. You can see like here, and then I would upload here a thumbnail. As you can see, the thumbnail should be improved, and then I could upload a new thumbnail here and I would see the statistics as I just showed you earlier. So this is really helpful tool because it finds you opportunities. You don't need to go through 500 videos one by one because this shows you the opportunities fast. But I want to mention one thing. If your CTR here is low, it doesn't always tell you the whole truth. Let me just show you a quick example, because here is a video that has been getting around 15% click-through rate, which is awesome because the average is around 5%. So take a look at in the beginning, because during the first days it got only a few percent click-through rate. You can see right here it was performing really bad, but then it jumped all the way to the 10%, then around 15%, and as you can see, many days it has been getting more than 15% click-through rate. So this is just something to keep in mind, that there are a couple of factors that affect your click-through rate, and that's not the only metric that you need to analyze. But we are going to dive deeper into other metrics in the upcoming lessons. Fifth thing that I want to show you that I have been using a lot is this card template. So you can use them here or here. So if you add cards right here, you will be able to add these templates. So when I click here apply template, these are all from TubeBuddy, and then I click here apply selected cards, and then that's ready. It will put them automatic. This one already saves like 10 minutes every time I do it, or 5 minutes. And let's say it saves 5 minutes, I do it 10 times, that already saves 50 minutes right there. So you can just calculate how much money you are going to save by using this. And you can set this video as a card template simply by clicking this one right here. And another similar feature is this end screen template. So if you click here, you can apply the template, or if you click here, then you go to the end screen, and then you click here apply template. But nowadays what I usually do is that I simply put one end screen there, and I will show that in the next lesson where we will optimize this video right here, which is about Crypto.com app. There are also other benefits with TubeBuddy, and it would probably take me an hour to explain all the benefits. The best way you will find is simply by using yourself, but here is another one. Recommended tags. You can see it shows you the recommended tags. So for example, when I start optimizing my Crypto.com review, I will simply click here Crypto.com tutorial, Crypto.com app, and it shows you this automatically. So it will be faster for you to add tags into your videos. For example, Crypto.com Visa card, Crypto.com earn strategy, Crypto.com earn review. As you can see, it's so fast to add this, then you simply click save, and then you are ready to go. Also, if you search certain keywords on YouTube, it gives you lots of ideas for similar keywords and also related keywords. However, I don't really trust this one here, this number right here, because in my personal opinion, it's not super accurate. So I wouldn't trust this one, but you can get a lot of keyword ideas for related keywords with this one. And then also let me show you another interesting feature. You can compare your channel to other YouTube channels. So here is my friend Mike's channel, and you can see right here that it compares the stats. So here it shows my views and Mike's views, and then it shows how many subscribers I have gained, how many subscribers Mike has gained. Then it also shows videos during the last 30 days, how many videos I have published and how many videos Mike has published. And you will see this with every channel on YouTube, and you can actually spy other channels. So let's click this video right here. Let's put it pause, and I will show you what kind of statistics TubeBuddy shows you. So it shows all of these things. For example, what kind of tags Mike Vun was using. Did he use infocards? Did he use end screen? And all the other information. So if you would want to use same tags, for example, as Mike here, you can simply copy this one and then copy to clipboard, and then you can use it in your own video. Let's say you want to use exactly the same ones. You simply come here and you could click here and paste, but again, I don't want for this video because it's different tags, but that's how easy it's actually to spy other channels. So TubeBuddy has so many benefits and features, and as I told you, if I would list all the benefits that I have received, it would take probably 1 hour to explain them all, but I recommend that you click the link below this video to get that bonus from me through my affiliate link, so you can get the 30-day free trial for TubeBuddy, and you will be able to try this without any risks yourself. And then of course, if you don't want to pay for it, if you believe it doesn't give you enough benefit, then you can always use the free version, but I'm pretty sure you will get enough benefit for it to justify the small membership fee. But if you have any questions, ask me in the community, and see you immediately in the next video.